Today, we're doing something pretty cool. We're going to build a totally realistic AI influencer from the ground up, and it won't cost you a dime. I'm going to walk you through every single step so you can create a digital face for your brand that can work for you literally all day, every day. Ready? Let's jump in.
So let me ask you this. What if you had a marketing asset that could work for you around the clock? 24/7, 365 days a year, no coffee breaks, no vacations. Someone who perfectly captures your brand's vibe every single time. Well, that's exactly what an AI influencer can do. And yeah, today we're actually going to build one.
Okay, so you might be thinking, why AI influencers? What's the big deal? Well, it's not just a gimmick. Big brands are jumping on this because they're an incredibly powerful and, well, reliable marketing asset. Let's dig into the why behind it all. And here's where it gets really interesting. Look how these benefits all connect. It all starts with one simple thing: consistency. An AI influencer never wakes up on the wrong side of the bed. They never have an off day. That means you get super strong, consistent branding. And what happens when your branding is always on point? People remember you. It's just that simple. And when people remember your brand, you get better leads and more conversions. It doesn't matter if you're selling t-shirts or offering consulting services, the logic is the same.
Yeah, this quote right here just nails it. Look, human influencers are fantastic, but they're human, right? They can have a bad day, they can go off script. An AI influencer just removes that entire variable from the equation. Your message gets delivered exactly how you want it, every time. And that level of consistency, over time, that's how you build some serious trust with your customers.
Okay, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty. Now, I know what you're thinking. This has got to cost a fortune, right? Fancy software and all that. Nope. The entire process we're about to walk through uses tools that are 100% free. So let's open up our digital toolkit and see what we're working with. It really comes down to just three key tools. First, we need to create our influencer's face, right? For that, we'll use something like Gemini or Nano Banana. Then we use Google AI Studio to kind of merge that person with whatever product we're trying to sell. And the grand finale? We use Google Flow to bring that static image to life and make it talk. And again, the best part, every single one of these tools is free.
All right, step one. This is the foundation of everything. We have to create our influencer's look, their visual identity, and it all boils down to one thing: a really, really well-written prompt.
And listen, if you take away only one thing from this whole explainer, let it be this. The magic is in the prompt. Seriously. The quality of your final AI influencer is 100% dependent on the quality of your prompt. The more detail you give the AI, the better the result you're going to get. It's garbage in, garbage out, or in this case, brilliance in, brilliance out.
Okay, check out this example. A 23-year-old Indian female model, still black eyes, wearing specs, smiling subtly. Photorealistic, studio lighting, looking directly at the camera. See what's happening here? We're not just saying a woman. We're giving it everything: her age, her ethnicity, the look in her eyes, her expression, what she's wearing, even the lighting in the room. That's the level of detail we're talking about. That's how you get a character that looks real. And this is a perfect example of how you tailor that prompt for what you're selling. So let's say you have a clothing brand. Your prompt is going to focus on the whole outfit, the pose, maybe a fashion showroom in the background. But if you're selling glasses, the prompt completely changes. Now you're highlighting the specs, you're putting her in an eyewear store. See? The prompt is your director. It controls the entire scene. Okay, so we've got our perfect picture. Our influencer exists, but they're just a static image. Now comes the really fun part. We're going to bring this person to life. Let's make them talk. And you know what? The process in Google Flow is surprisingly simple. You just upload the image you made, pick a video format, like, say, a vertical video for Instagram Reels. The one techie part is turning your script into something called JSON. But don't let that scare you. It's basically just a simple instruction manual for the AI. You just feed it your script, line by line, and the AI takes those instructions and builds out the whole animated video for you. It's pretty wild. So, we've done it. We've created our AI influencer. Awesome. But now what? How do we actually make this thing work for us and, make money? Let's talk about turning this cool creation into actual conversions. And check this out. The final video from the source material was only 32 seconds long. Just think about that. We're not trying to make a Hollywood blockbuster here. We're making short, snappy, scroll-stopping ads that are perfect for social media. The efficiency is just off the charts. And that's really the sweet spot for these things. Sure, you can post them on your regular feed, but where they really shine is in paid ad campaigns on places like Meta and Google. Think about it. You can crank out tons of different versions to A/B test without spending a fortune on video shoots. This means you can figure out what works and optimize your ads way, way faster than the old way.
So, as we wrap things up, let's circle all the way back to the most important skill in this entire game, writing good prompts. And hey, don't feel like you have to do it alone. Use other AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help you come up with really detailed ideas. Just always remember that golden rule. The more detail you put in for both the image and the video script, the better your final result is going to be. It's that simple.
So there you have it. You now have the complete toolkit to create your very own digital brand ambassador who will never get tired. The tech is free, it's out there, and it's ready for you to use right now. So I guess there's only one real question left. What are you going to have your first AI influencer sell?